walk through on how to make a iPhone ringtone. First thing you do is you choose a song you want, and Glenn Phillips is who I've chosen here, one of my favorite artists, so check him out. But just drag the in your iTunes, drag the song to your desktop or whatever, and after it is there, we'll go ahead and minimize this. And if you're on a Mac, you can do this in GarageBand. So you can drag the song over in GarageBand, and we are going to, after it imports, we're going to change our measures to time, and we want to make this around 35 seconds. So you can edit anywhere you want in the song and take out 35 seconds or so. And here I'm just going to delete the last part of that, and then go up to Share and Export Song to Disk, and make sure this is on AAC encoder. Going to export this and name the file. And so after it exports here, we have got our app pulled up, and you can just go and drag it in, and you're done. It will automatically start playing the song in your iTunes, and then over here and write your iTunes ringtones, it'll be listed. So that's how you do it. Good luck.